Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a new Instagram page. First, download the Instagram app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and tap Sign Up. You can register using your email address or phone number. Next, select a unique username that represents your brand or personal identity and create a strong, secure password. Finally, complete your basic profile by adding your full name and a clear profile picture. Now, let's optimize your profile to make a great first impression. Craft a compelling bio, limited to 150 characters, that clearly describes your page's purpose. Include a clickable link to your website or other social media platforms. Upload a clear, high-resolution profile picture, ideally 110 by 110 pixels. Finally, decide if your account should be public or private, depending on your content strategy. It's time to make your first post. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to upload your chosen photo or video. Write a descriptive caption, up to 2,200 characters, and include relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Consider tagging other accounts or locations. Plan a consistent posting schedule, aiming for 3 to 7 posts weekly to keep your audience engaged and growing. To grow your audience, actively engage with other users by liking and thoughtfully commenting on their posts. Strategically use relevant hashtags to expand your reach beyond your current followers. Don't forget to share your new Instagram page across your other social media platforms. Additionally, explore opportunities to collaborate with other accounts for mutually beneficial cross-promotion and increased visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.